Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever been in the middle of a build and found yourself juggling clamps, fighting alignment, or just wishing your bench could do a little more on its own, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a tool that's designed to solve exactly that kind of frustration, the Kreg Automaxx bench clamp system. Priced at $56, this isn't just another clamp you bolt to the edge of your table. It's an integrated clamping solution that flips out when you need it and tucks away when you don't, thoughtfully engineered to stay out of the way until duty calls. I've been testing it across multiple setups, from panel glue-ups to precision joinery, and it's changed how I think about bench efficiency. It's not magic, but it's close. So, if you're looking for a smart way to streamline your workflow without cluttering your workspace, let's see how the Automaxx holds up in real-world use. When it comes to woodworking tools, I've learned that quality isn't just about how something looks. It's about how it performs over time, how it holds up under pressure, and whether it makes my workflow smoother or more frustrating. That's why I've been really impressed with the Kreg Automaxx bench clamp system. From the moment I mounted it to my workbench, I could tell this wasn't some flimsy or overly complicated add-on. The steel construction feels solid, the mechanism moves smoothly most of the time, and the fact that it auto-adjusts based on material thickness is a game changer. I've used plenty of clamps, bar clamps, F-clamps, quick grip clamps, but having something permanently integrated into my bench that I can just flip and go, that saves time and mental energy. And in a workshop, those are two of the most valuable resources you've got. One of the standout features for me is how little manual adjustment it requires. The Automaxx system is designed to automatically adapt to different material thicknesses, and for the most part, it works like a charm. I've clamped everything from 3/4-inch plywood to narrow trim pieces, and the clamp reacts quickly without me having to fiddle with tension knobs every time. That said, I've noticed it doesn't always perform equally across the board. Thin stock, like 1/4-inch panels or delicate veneers, can sometimes slip or not get enough pressure. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to be aware of. With thicker or standard stock, though, the clamping force is more than sufficient, and once it's locked in, the workpiece isn't going anywhere. It's like having a third hand that's strong, reliable, and always ready. I've installed a few of these across my assembly and layup tables, and the installation process was straightforward with the right jig and a router. The base plate integrates cleanly into the bench top, and once it's in, the clamp itself slides in and out effortlessly. I really appreciate that Kreg thought about usability from the start. You can pop the clamp out when you don't need it and reinsert it in seconds. That modularity means I'm not constantly fighting around a fixed vise or bulky clamp setup. The 6-inch clamp model has become my go-to because it offers a wider reach and can handle taller assemblies like face frames or cabinet ends. It's surprising how often I reach for it now. It's quickly become one of the most frequently used tools in my shop, even more than some of my powered equipment. Now, let's talk about the small but thoughtful design improvements. Early on, I did find myself confused about which way to turn the tension knob to loosen or tighten the clamp. It's one of those little frustrations that builds over time until I noticed that newer versions of the clamp actually have plus and arrows molded right into the handle. Genius. It's a tiny detail, but it eliminates guesswork, especially when you're in the middle of a project and just need things to work. It made me grab a Sharpie and mark my older clamps the same way. That kind of forward-thinking design is exactly why Kreg has such a loyal following. They listen, they iterate, and they keep improving even on already solid products. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Automaxx system is generally reliable, I've run into a few instances where the mechanism seems to stick, either clamping down way too hard or not engaging at all. I've tried adjusting the tension screw and even put a tiny drop of oil on the moving parts, but the issue occasionally returns. It's not frequent enough to make me regret the purchase, but It's something I'd mention to someone considering this system. If your workflow depends on absolute consistency across hundreds of repeatable operations, you might want to test it thoroughly first. That said, for the vast majority of tasks, gluing up panels, securing workpieces for routing or sanding, or holding parts during assembly, this clamp delivers exactly what it promises. I've even found myself using it in ways I didn't expect. One time, I needed to secure a drill guide at an awkward angle on a temporary work surface, so I jury-rigged one of the extended reach clamps to hold it in place. It wasn't ideal, the jaw didn't reach deep enough, and the single screw connection to the aluminum plate felt a bit flimsy under torque, but with some shims and a backup clamp, it got the job done. That's the thing about versatile tools. They often end up solving problems you didn't anticipate. And while this isn't a perfect solution for that kind of off-label use, the fact that it could contribute at all speaks volumes about its flexibility and strength. At $56, it's definitely not the cheapest bench accessory out there, but I've come to believe you pay for what you get with Kreg. This clamp feels like it's built to last decades, not years. The materials are top-notch, the mechanism is innovative, and once it's in your workflow, it's hard to imagine working without it. My only real wish? That Kreg would offer a separate disc accessory to integrate the clamp face with their jig R3 system, something that would let me use the metal base plate as a clamping point for pocket hole jigs. That could make repetitive drilling setups even faster. But even without that, the Automaxx bench clamp system is a strong addition to any woodworker's bench. If you're serious about building clean, accurate projects with less hassle, this one's worth every penny. If you're ready to lock in your next project with confidence, it's time to upgrade your bench setup. Don't let loose workpieces slow you down. Hit that like button if this review helped, and subscribe for more honest takes on tools that earn their spot in the shop. Stay steady, stay precise, and I'll see you in the next video.